smart developers. Welcome back to Smart Code app. I'm making this video to motivate you like which and all big apps and big companies already using React Native and developed their apps so that you can use React Native more confidently and get to know power of the React Native. I'm sharing the links to the process of this big apps development on initial days, how big companies adopted React Native for development and development ideas and procedures, diagrams they followed up, everything. I'm putting it is article links in the description section. Go and check it out. I'm also sharing famous app screenshot and UI so that you can plan to use same kind of user experience or UI in your next app or get motivated for something new idea, and that will be a takeaway from this video. Subscribe to this channel to get latest videos from this channel on your YouTube homepage. Without wasting any time, let's get started.
Facebook. Facebook is the company which built the React Native. When they are developing complex, rich UI for their application, they found a easy way to make it for both the platform. So they developed React Native long back, and they have their both apps for Android as well as iOS built with the React Native. They also came up with their ad manager and Facebook Analytics, which both developed with the React Native only. Here you can see the Facebook app screenshot. They have lot of rich UI in their app, like top tabbers, bottom tabs, stories, and marketplace and live. You can see how Facebook built first app from React Native. You can see why they have chosen React Native, and first building an ad manager for iOS first. Later they created Android version and shipped that, and the process and what they learned, everything is mentioned in this article. So I'm sharing this article link in a description link, so go check it out if you're interested. Now this is one more official article from Facebook engineering team. Here in this article they are explaining how they built Facebook using React Native. So how JS rendering, fetch, native rendering, flexbox, everything they have managed, and their app layers, and what happens on startup, performance improvements, scheduling, then light speed. So a lot of things they explained in this article. So putting this article link in the description section, go check it out. Instagram is very famous app from Facebook which has more than 100 million downloads and which is built from the React Native. So which has an app for both Android as well as iOS, which is built from React Native, and they don't have a separate app for the tabs. They use the same app for the tab. Here you can see the screens of the Instagram. I have added a couple of screens. You can see Instagram has like a live camera filter, and you can go live with your friends, and it has a story option and a bottom tab and very advanced chart. Also it has top tabs and bottom tabs together, and grades with auto video play and many more. This is one more article from Instagram team. They shared how they used React Native to build the Instagram, the challenges they have faced, and like a method count where they are facing the big build size, and they are trying to render only required UI components, metrics, and startup performance, and products like post promote. They send out very lightweight screen interfaces, so how they handled with a React Native. So go check it out, this article. I'm putting this in a description section. Flipkart is a famous e-commerce app which is widely used in India, and you developed there both iOS and Android apps from React Native and native modules together. So you can have a look on the React Native development process in the article which I'm sharing in our description section.
In this article, Flipkart team explains how they use React Native for their application, and Flipkart contains both native code as well as React Native code, and how they made coexist both the code base and how they developed their very intrusive app. So they have explained the process and how they did, and the measures they have taken, and using a OTA updates, that is over the air updates, where you can update the app without going through Play Store and App Store process, and changes and the wireframe and the app, how they design components. So everything explained in this article. Go and check it out.
You can see like a Flipkart contains a lot of things. They have so many other apps integrated inside their app. They have a multi-language option for India, and they have like a product view, and they have a video section there in their app, so where they give up videos, and they have a payment gateway integrated and other apps integrated, and they have a flight booking options as well. Pinterest. So Pinterest built their app using React Native for both Android and iOS, and Pinterest has a many screens. You can have a look, very advanced UI, and they have a very innovative way of UI which is developed for their apps, and they have many downloads in both the App Store and Play Stores. You can have a look on the UIs of their app, and which includes the individual sections with the advanced UI fine-tuned components.
This is the article written by Pinterest team supporting React Native at Pinterest. So technical evaluation process and organization evaluation process, benefits of React Native, decision support React Native. So a lot of things, how they face the issue and how they rectified it. Go check it out.
Salesforce using React Native for both Android as well as iOS, and you can have a look on their screenshot. They have like collaborate and share option, access your Salesforce, and CRM data display with the bottom tabs, and search with the pop-up, and many more. Skype is from Microsoft, and it is built with a React Native. Skype has both the apps for iOS and Android, and both is built from React Native only. You can have a look on the Skype screens, which has like a video call option and advanced chat system and calling to normal numbers. Tesla is using React Native for their Android and iOS app, which is built to control the car. So you can have a look on the screenshot of the app, where they have like a car information, and they have a car temperature control, including seat temperature control, and they have a display like how much long a car will travel, and the battery information, and many more. Even a live map with the car's tracking, and performance, and like a power system information display. Uber Eats is developed from React Native, and both the app for Android and iOS, which is made from the React Native. And you can have a look on their screens, which has like a very advanced UI. They have like product display page, and delivery tracking, and ordering system, and live tracking with the delivery of the food, also the choice of the food in a grid section, and image slider, and many more.
This is the article explaining how Uber Eats powered with the React Native. This is the article from Uber Eats engineering team. So they are like a delivery partner eating orders, how they are managing, everything they are explaining in this article. You can check it out. They have written building a migration path as well, and defining a architecture, and one of the greatest feature of React Native, automatically pushing the updates, that is a remote update or the air installation, OTA. Testing and type checking, handling side effects, reflect and so go and check it out, description section for this article link. Coinbase built their both the Android and iOS app with React Native, and you already know what is Coinbase. So they are using display the amount which user is holding, and a portfolio profile balance over the time in a graph, and buy and transfer and deposit and withdrawal option for the currencies, and they have inbuilt news or a blog section in the app. Now I'm sharing one more article which is from Coinbase blog, like how they started using React Native and what and all problem they have faced with multiple rendering and all, and how they solved it, and container component concept, how they built it with the code they are explaining it. So if you're interested, you can have a look on their code as well, and they are also sharing their other problems and how they fixed it, and how they reduce the frequent network calls. Everything is mentioned in from a Coinbase engineering team. So sharing this article in a description section. Check it out. Shopify. Shopify is famous app for providing a service, and where user can create own cart. So Shopify uses React Native for both Android and iOS as well, and you can have a look on the Shopify's app screens, where they have tracking all the orders in one place, with that maps integrated, and following up packages with the live map, and notification section where they get a timely notification for every order update, and they have a brand sync up for more than 600 carriers. Also discovering a new item, everything they have made it easy with their app using React Native. This is an article from Shopify engineering team, adding this link in the description section. Here they explain how they implemented React Native app, and what and all changes they have made, and they're explaining from what is React Native, and showing charts and all. Then why we will not default to using React Native, mobile at Shopify, Arrive, point of sale, Compass. So everything they have explained in this article. Go check it out. Walmart is using for their app React Native framework, and both Android and iOS they built with that. And you can have a look at their app. They have one of the complex UI and lot of UI components created with React Native. You can have a look on their app screenshot, the express delivery and pickup and delivery, tracking the order, and pharmacy ordering, and more options with their stores. All they built with using React Native. Thank you. Comment if you know any other companies.